Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will learn about the MongoDB cursor methods. Some of the cursor methods, those are sort method and also the skip and the limit method for each method. So let's try to see some of those methods available in the cursor. So normally if you try to see here, if I try to go db.products.find, if I try to see here, if I try to press enter, it will give you it will not give you. So let's try to see the count first. Okay, if I try to see the count, there are about 401 documents available in this products collection. Now if I try to say products.find, so now if I try to press enter here, so I will not get all the 400 products that are available in this products collection. It will return you only the 20 documents at a time. And if you want to get the next 20 documents, you need to press IT so that you can get the another 20 documents. So if you want to get, so you can press again IT like this. Okay, so like this we will be getting only the 20 records, 20 documents at a time. So after 20 documents, it will the MongoDB will provide as a cursor. Using that cursor we can get the other 20 records. So this cursor is nothing but, what I can say is, it is nothing but a pointer. Okay, the cursor is nothing but a pointer in this one. Now for example, let's say that, so you understood about this one, right? Let's go to the db.books collection. So let's try to see how many are there. .count. So I am trying to see the count. So here we are having only 10. So what I want to do is, here in this one, so here what I want to do is, so let's try to see db.books.find. So when I try to press enter here, db.books.find, I am able to get the 10 collections at a time. So the MongoDB will give you the 20 records, right? So here there are only 10 records. It has given everything. So that is the reason. So it is not giving you IT to press more. Now here if you try to observe, so in this one, so we are having a quantity of 10, 20, 30 like this we are having. So quantity and the price we are having, right? What I want to do is, this time, so I want to sort by the quantity. So that means, so ascending to descending or descending to ascending. So if I want to sort the quantity, so what I will be getting is db.books.find. This will return a cursor, and this cursor has a method sort, and in this one you can provide the field name. So I want to have sort quantity by 1. So now it will give you the ascending order. So now 1 means ascending order. So quantity by 1. So if you try to see here, the quantity are in ascending order: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 67, and also 47, 7, 70. So these are the things which you are having like this. So here we are getting 770. What is the wrong we have written? Okay, these are in the details dot quantity, right? So now we have written something wrong. So it should be something like details dot quantity. So it is in the details dot quantity, and it should be 1. So if you try to see 1, and if I try to press enter, now this time if you try to see, the quantity 7 is at the top: 7, 10, 20, 30, 67, 70. So now these are in the ascending order. If you want to get those quantities in the descending order, means what I can do is, so here I can do -1. Instead of having the 1, I will do the -1. So now if I try to press enter, so here I am able to get quantity 70, so which is the maximum quantity, 67, 50, 47 like this. Okay, so now here we are having a 20, 20. So the same quantity we are having it here, right? So now what I want to do is, so here we are having 25 and 34. Okay, so 25 and 34. I want, if the quantities both are same, means I want this price to be in the descending order, not in the ascending order. So what I can do here, so you can do quantity -1, and also you can have another sorting option also, details dot price. So it should be something like -1. Now if I try to press enter, so here if you try to see here, the quantity of 20 and the price 34.98 is at the top, and this one is at the bottom. So like this you can give multiple field names also to sort, so that first it will sort by this one. So according to that one, using the quantity, it will sort with the price. So like this the sorting will go on. Okay, so this is all about the sorting option. So not only the sorting option, so if you want to there is also a for each method available for the cursor. For example, let's say that db.books. find, and I can use something like dot for each. So I can use this for each. So like this book, and I can use print option, so by which I can print quantity, and here I can say that book dot details dot quantity. Okay, so I can use it like this also. So now if I try to press enter, so here I am able to get all the options 10, 20, 30, something like this. Okay, so this is how you can use this cursor as a for each loop, and all those things we can use it. And the next one comes is the sort skipping and the limit thing. For example, let's say that we are having the same thing, sorting by details and all those things. So first what I want is, I want to skip these all details, something like 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and from here onwards, from here onwards I want to show only 3 items. That means 3, 12 and 2 I want to show. So how can I show is, so this is same thing, and I can say that I want to skip 5 items and I need to limit it only 3. So I want to show only 3 after skipping 5 items. So if I try to press enter, see, I'm able to get only the big book 3, 12 and 2, how we have, what we have specified. So I have skipped the 5 items, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are all the things I have skipped it. Okay, at the top another one is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I have skipped it. And here I am trying to limit it through 3 only, so that I can see only the 3 items. I can get only the 3 items. So this is the main thing which we will be using more often in the pagination. So for example, if you want to show in a table of data, I want to show only the 10 items, and afterwards if the user clicks on the page 2, you need to skip the 10 items and you need to show from 11 to 20. So that means skip of 10 and limit of 10. So you can use it like this. And then afterwards in the page 3, you can say that skip of 20 limit of 10. So like this you can do the skipping thing, pagination thing, using this MongoDB. Okay, so this is what about some of the useful methods which are available in the cursor, the sort, for each, skip, limit, and we also have some other thing also which we have discussed it earlier, has, next. So these are all the things. Close means it will close the cursor. So these all items are also available in this one. So this is all about this MongoDB query things and the cursor methods that are available in the MongoDB. So you need to remember the skip, limit, and also the sorting option that are available in the that are available in the MongoDB. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.